Let me show you how to set up your emergency sharing on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So you want to access your settings from your phone and you want to go to safety and emergency. Now you will have a bunch of different safety and emergency feature here, but click on emergency sharing, right? From here, you need to give permissions to your contacts, SMS, location, and even your notifications. Then continue from here. And here you will have a few things that you can set up here. You can set up emergency contact, which you can select and you can choose from your contact list a bunch of people there, or you can where you can choose from your contact list. If you click on that, you can add someone from your contacts by choosing them. As you can see, I had someone there already. You can also show on lock screen in case your phone get lost or whatever the case may be, right? You can also attach photos. It's interesting, right? You can attach photos if you so desire by toggling this on if you so desire. You can also attach recording if you so desire. And from there, you can easily go ahead and start sharing emergency from there. So once you tap on that, you can be able to click start and you will just need to go ahead and click start from there. So guys, I want to share that with you. In case you don't know about this feature, you can easily go ahead and set up and share emergency within your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. Very easy and very simple, guys.